Y'all, I'm doing plush repairs. And do you remember this guy? Remember this guy? He had a sound box right here. And I said I was going to have to bust him open because I had to know what it said because I love Star Trek. Yeah, so I opened it. Here it is. This little, well, anyway, you can tell what it is. This little Build-A-Bear box, and I replaced the batteries in it. And do you want to know what it says?
Oh yeah. I just blew your minds, right? Like the turtle knew. I don't want to live in a world without pizza.
Did you understand that? Like a turtle, dude. I don't want to live in a world without pizza. This is Spock. This is Ninja Turtles. Why did somebody put Ninja Turtles? Have you ever heard Spock say, I don't want to live in a world without pizza? No. Spock doesn't say that. Or, like a turtle, dude. Yeah, this. Like a turtle, dude. No. Live long and prosper. I broke this thing open. I cut his arm. And now I have to resew it to sell him, all for a Ninja Turtle. Now don't get me wrong, Ninja Turtles are cool. That's fine. Everybody has their thing. But I just knew there were several phrases in this box. And I just knew they were going to be Star Trek. And I just knew they were going to be Spock phrases. And I couldn't wait to hear them. And it's Ninja Turtles. It's Ninja Turtles. Life as a reseller. What are you going to do? Sew him back up. And sell this separately. So, well, hey, maybe it'll work out. Maybe I'll get 15 for this, 15 for him. And that'll be a $30 return on a $1 investment. I'm happy with that. But I just wanted to share with y'all my my Star Trek Build-A-Bear is not Star Trek sounds. Very sad. Bye-bye. Hey. You want to say hi? It's my partner. This is my little partner. Hey, Bob. Trying to stay cool the last few hot days of summer. Alright, well, like a turtle, dude. See y'all.